Hey everybody, Jason here. About 3:30 in the afternoon on this same Saturday, the snowstorm. It actually turned to freezing rain and slush. The snow's kind of stopped. It hasn't been snowing for a couple hours now, actually. But it is getting very slick. I'm sure the roads aren't good. They look clear, but they're I'm sure they're good and slushy and probably icy. And I talked to somebody just a couple miles north of us, and it's more ice up there than it is. It's kind of rain here. A couple miles north, and you got ice. And then I think if you go maybe another 5 miles north of that, then here in the snow. I just had a picture sent to me from a coworker who lives about 20 miles north of me, and they've got quite a bit more snow than we do. So you can walk out here. If you saw my previous video, you saw that you know what the roads look like and everything. You can see there's a lot of slush. Like I said, it's a side road, so this hasn't gotten much work done on it, but this is more of a main road. There's a car coming, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, the roads aren't, they're slushy, a little slick, but it's not ice or anything, so it wouldn't be that bad if you had to go out, but I'm not going to. I think I'm just going to hang out here again. Go back here, grab the mail. Mailman did come. I think I might even have a package in there. Again, I'm going to clean off my sidewalk again, just so it, again, I stay ahead of it. And we'll hopefully we'll see what happens tomorrow when we wake up. And I'm moving along on a pretty good clip. Let me go over here. See what I got in the mail. Yep. Got a package here. That'll be something I got off of eBay. I think it's I forget what it is. It's a foreign silver of some sort. I forget what it was though. Yeah, we'll find out here in a few minutes. So anyways, I'll let you go again. I'll probably come back out later. If not, then tomorrow morning. So everybody stay safe. Enjoy the warmer weather. If you're somewhere where it's nice, send some of that up our way. And God bless.